Welcome to our video on adapting to AI integration. Today, we will explore how to work alongside AI systems. We will focus on collaboration, not competition. Are you ready to harness the power of AI? This technology is changing how we work. It is transforming industries around the world. Many people worry about AI replacing human jobs. This concern is understandable, but it is not the full picture. When used correctly, AI enhances human ability. It supports productivity. It helps us work smarter. The first step is mindset. Collaboration begins with openness. AI should be seen as a partner. It is not a rival. It is a support system. It works best when paired with human insight. Understanding AI's strengths is essential. AI excels at processing large amounts of data. It analyzes information quickly and accurately. This allows humans to focus elsewhere. Creativity becomes more important. Decision-making becomes more strategic. When we understand what AI does well, we use it better. We can assign tasks effectively. We can maximize its value. Now let's explore how AI improves service delivery. One powerful tool is the AI chatbot. Chatbots support customer service teams. They handle simple questions. They respond instantly. They are available at all times. This reduces workload for staff. Human agents focus on complex issues. Customers receive faster service. Another effective strategy is automation. Many tasks are repetitive. They consume valuable time. AI can automate these processes. This frees up your team. Time can be spent on innovation. Teams can build relationships. They can improve experiences. They can focus on meaningful work. Imagine a customer contacting your business. A chatbot handles the first interaction. Basic questions are answered quickly. Information is collected efficiently. The case is prepared. If needed, a human agent steps in. They already have context. The transition is smooth. This results in better service. Customers feel supported. Efficiency improves. Now let's summarize what we've learned. AI does not replace us. It enhances our work. When used properly, productivity increases. Processes become smoother. Service delivery improves. Chatbots streamline communication. Automation saves time. Teams become more effective. Adapting to AI requires flexibility. An open mindset is essential. Growth comes from collaboration. As we conclude, think about your own role. Where can AI support you? Which tasks can be improved? Explore tools that fit your needs. Invest time in learning them. Training makes a difference. Understanding AI boosts creativity. Confidence increases. Innovation becomes possible. AI is more than a tool. It is a catalyst for change. It encourages new possibilities. The journey with AI is ongoing. Adaptation takes time. Growth follows effort. Together, technology and humanity can thrive. Collaboration leads to progress. The future becomes brighter. And remember, when humans and AI work together, success follows. In the next video we will discuss about future trends in customer service. Stay connected with us. Thank you.